Is it the Marriott Fairfield in Lakewood, Colorado? I still need to film that building. I got a shitty video years ago, but it never got uploaded.
Hi, welcome back.
How's it going?
Good, how are you, sir?
Not too bad. What do we have? ThyssenKrupp. Seems to be the usual. All right. Got some inspirational quotes in the workout room. Now we'll see if they're hydro retraction. My bet is hydro. Blue matte Atoll looks nice. I always like that. Hydro. This is a nice corridor up here. I like this. That's nice. L-shaped layout for the hotel. I like that. Ooh. So I don't know how old these are. Probably not that old, but they are in some ways starting to show their age. Like this is a little bashed in, you can see. Like that works. Handle is a little messed up. There's a missing peg for the padding. Yeah. But the buttons have held up well. Usually TK fixtures especially hold up terribly, so these are probably Endura. The blue fixture does not look nice on camera, but it looks really nice in person. It looks really bright on camera. I don't know why, but these blue LEDs always show up as like white. They always show up as like practically white on camera. Anyway. That will be it.